Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. In this short video, we're going to talk about the amazing health benefits of consuming beets. Now, it is true that beets are higher in sugar, but in the fiber that they have as a whole unit, if you were to shred them on your salad, I think that would be okay. Okay, it's not going to be that big of a deal. So what I like to do is I like to take the tops off the beets first, wash them and freeze them. And I use those in my kale shake. I'll mix kale, parsley with beet tops, and I'll add a little bit of berries, blend it up, and oh my gosh, that will really help your liver. Okay, so that's one thing. And then the actual beet itself, you can shave them in your salad. I like to get different colored beets. I'll get the purple beet, I'll get the yellow beet, I'll get the red beet, and I'll just use them, and I just love them. So these are the benefits. There's something in your liver that allows toxins to be turned into harmless particles. So basically the liver has certain enzymes to break down chemicals, okay? And the beets improve that process to the point where it helps you detoxify chemicals in the liver. So it's really good in the liver. Beets also are high in antioxidants. They're high in choline. They're high in certain nutrients that dissolve fat on or inside your liver. So if you have a fatty liver, you want to consume beets. Okay? So they have a lot of great properties to fix the liver and the gallbladder. They will improve the excess estrogen in the liver and also indirectly raise some testosterone levels to balance it out. It won't give you too much testosterone, but it balances out to a normal level because testosterone works through the liver. So it's a really good hormonal balancer. So it will decrease estrogen and increase testosterone, giving you better workouts, more endurance, more stamina. Okay? Blood pressure, really good to, it has nitric oxide, which relaxes the arteries in the cardiovascular system to lower blood pressure. It's another good benefit, right? And it's good anti-inflammatory. So again, start using these on your salad and your shakes, and it's going to really provide some really cool benefits to your body. And also, click the link below. I have a quiz down there that you can take that will allow you to find out what's really going on with your body, and we'll send you the report. Thanks for watching.